Hello dear all, welcome to Sunday Education Academy. I am Santosh Wag. Here we will see question number 3 of exercise 6.4 chapter 6 squares and square root class 8 mathematics. So let's start our video. See question number 3 of exercise 6.4. Find the square root of following decimal numbers. These are the decimal numbers 2.56. There is a decimal point, means this is a decimal number. To find the square root of this decimal numbers, we will follow the division method. Now, to follow division method, we have to take care of some things. See, this is a decimal number, means there is a decimal point. So, in division method, what is our procedure? Take this number in this format 2.56. Now, our first step is to make groups. Now, it is very important to care because while making groups in decimal numbers, we must consider the decimal point. We must make group of numbers by considering this decimal point. Make groups of numbers before decimal point and after decimal points. Do not mix the numbers. So here 2 will be in one group and 56 will be in the next group. See, here always remember this decimal point. So these are the two groups. Now second step is find the maximum square, which is square number which is less than this 2. So it is 1, very easy. It is number 1. So 1 is the square root of 1. So write here 1 and 1 here also. Then take subtraction. 2 by 1 will be 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now, in next step 1 plus 1, write here 2. Take this 56 here. But before taking 56 here, we must put a decimal point here. Decimal point is important because there is a decimal point in number. So by putting decimal point here, we are compensating this, and we can take 56 here directly. 56 as a 1 unit. Now here 156 number. We have to find or we have to guess a number which we can place here. That number will be here also. नंबर यहाँ भी होगा और यहाँ भी होगा, और इस नंबर पे जो हम यहाँ क्वेश्चन में लिखेंगे, इस नंबर से इस नंबर पे हम अगर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 156 या उससे कम होना चाहिए. So how to guess this number? To guess this number, there is one trick. Consider this 15 number only. Forget this unit place 6. Now 15 and consider the table of 2. Where is 15 in the table of 2? It is in between 14 and 16. See the table of 2. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Here 15 lies between 12 and 6. Means 15 lies in between 14 and 16. Means 2 7 the 14 and 2 8 the 16. So guess number 7 because 14 is less than this or 16 is greater than 15. So try with 7. So what will be the number if we put 7 here? Multiply 7. 7 7 is 49 and 4, that will be bigger number. 14, that will be 189. So 189 is bigger than this 156. So go to less number, that is lower number, that is 6. 26 into 6. 6 is a 36. 12 156. Means we are first trying with 7 because by trick we get the number 15 in between 14 and 16. Means 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16. So try with 7. As 7, by putting 7 we are getting higher number than 156. Then go to lower number 6. That is a perfect number. So put here 6 and here also. Multiplication of this is 156. Then take subtraction of this, we get 0. As remainder is 0, it is a perfect square. And what is our answer? Square root of 2.56 is equal to this 1.6. So this is our answer. Now see the next number. Next number is 7.29. Here also it is a decimal number. We must consider a decimal point. Again procedure is same. Take this number in this format 7.29 here. Make groups before decimal point and after decimal point. Do not mix the number before and after. So 7 will be in first group and 29 will be in the next group. Are you getting? डेसिमल पॉइंट जब भी रहेंगे तो डेसिमल पॉइंट के आगे और पीछे वाले नंबर मिक्स नहीं करने का ग्रुप में. डेसिमल पॉइंट के आगे अलग ग्रुप रहेंगे, डेसिमल पॉइंट के पहले अलग ग्रुप रहेंगे. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है डेसिमल नंबर में जब हम डिवीजन मेथड में स्क्वायर रूट निकालते तो. 7. सो फाइंड द मैक्सिमम स्क्वायर नंबर विच इज लेस देन 7. इट इज 4. Maximum square number is 4 which is less than 7. So 4 is the square of 2. So write here 2 and 2. 2 to the 4. Take subtraction 7 minus 4 it is 3. Okay. Then next step is 2 plus 2 that is 4. Again we have to guess and put here number. But see this, take this 29 below here. But it is after decimal point, so put here decimal point to compensate this and take 29 here. We got 329 this number. Now we have to guess the number which we are going to put here also and in question also, and multiplication of this number, question number and this number must be less than or equal to 329. Again how to guess? Then see our trick how to guess number. Here is 329 number. Now forget this unit place 9. Forget this unit place 9. Consider only 32 and see the table of 4. Where 32 lies? We know 4 8 is 32. Are you getting? 4 8 is 32. So just try with 8 number. Put 8 number after this, that is 48, and multiply it with 8. What we will get? 8 8 is 64, 8 for the 32, 32 plus 6, that is 32 plus 6 38. We are getting 384, which is greater than 329. So we must go lower number. So try with 7. 47 into 7. 7 7 the 49 and 7 for the 28. 28 plus 4 32. We are getting 329, which we require. So put 7 here and 7 here also. Take multiplication this, we get 329. Take subtraction 0 0 0. By how to guess this number? आपको ये नंबर कैसे गेस करना समझ में आया? Consider only these two number 32. Forget this 9 and find where 32 lies in the table of 4. 4 8 the 32. Try with 8, but as if we put 8 we are getting higher number, more number than 329. So go to less number, that is 7. And if we put 7 we are getting 329. ट्रायल एंड एरर करने के लिए ये मेथड अच्छी है. गेस करने के लिए पहला नंबर गेस करने का, इट विल बी वेरी क्लोज टू आवर आंसर. इफ वी टेक सब्ट्रैक्शन वी गॉट 0. एज रिमाइंडर इज 0, दिस इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर and square root of this is square root of 7.29 equal to 2.7. So this is our answer. Now see the third question, third example, number 51.84. Take this number in the format 51.84 to make a square root of this number by division method. Again see, there is a decimal point. Make the groups and mark the bar before decimal point and after decimal point. So 51 will be first and 84 will be the next group. See, 51 will be the first group. Now guess the maximum square number which is less than or equal to 51. We know maximum square number is 49, very close to 51. So 49 is the square of 7. So put here 7 here also and take 49 here. Take subtraction, 51 minus 49 we get 2 मिलेगा. अभी 7 plus 7 right here 14. Now to take 84 here we must put decimal point here and take 84 here. Now we are getting number 284. अभी यहाँ एक नंबर हमें गेस करना है. ये नंबर यहाँ भी रहेगा और यहाँ भी रहेगा और इस नंबर से इस नंबर पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद 284 या उससे कम आना चाहिए, वेरी क्लोज टू 284. सो बाय आवर ट्रिक forget this decimal unit number 4 and consider only 28. Now 28, where it lies in the table of 14 to the 28. So try with 2, take 2 here and 2 here also. Multiplication of 2 with 142, that is a 482, means we are getting the direct answer with number 2. So subtraction is 0, remainder is 0, means this is a perfect square. And what is the answer? 51.84. Square root of this is equal to 7.2. So this is our final answer. Thus हम डेसिमल नंबर के लिए जब ग्रुप लगाते हैं तो हमें डेसिमल पॉइंट का ध्यान रखना है. इसमें एक ही चीज़ इम्पोर्टेंट है, डेसिमल पॉइंट के आगे अलग ग्रुप रहेंगे और पीछे अलग ग्रुप रहेंगे. वो डेसिमल पॉइंट के आगे वाले पीछे वाले नंबर एक ग्रुप में नहीं आएंगे. यही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. अगर ये हम इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ध्यान में रखते हैं तो डेसिमल पॉइंट का स्क्वायर रूट निकालना बहुत ही आसान है. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट नंबर 42.25. टेक दिस नंबर इन दिस फॉर्मेट 42.25. मेक द ग्रुप of 2 digits. Consider the decimal point. First group will be 42 and second will be 25. Now take this first group 42, consider this 42. Then maximum square number which is less than this 42, that is 36. So 6 is, we can write here 6 here, 6 6 are 36. Take subtraction, we get 42 minus 36, that we get 6. Now take 25 here, but before taking put decimal point here, 625. Then 6 plus 6, that will be 12. Now consider or guess. Now to guess a number which we have to put here, हमें यहाँ जो नंबर पुट करना है वो कैसे गेस करेंगे? 625, उसमें से 62 कंसिडर कीजिए और 62 12 के टेबल में कहा आता है 60 के आगे 12 5 is 60, isn't it? See the table of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. These are this is table of 12. अभी 62 कहाँ आता है? इसके बीच में आता है, इनके बीच में आता है 62, 60 के और 72 के आगे, means 7 5 is 60. So we must try this first 5 number. So 125 into 5 कितना आएगा? 25, 10, 2, 6, means we are getting the perfect number. So we must write here 5 number. So write here 5 and here 5 also. Take multiplication of this 625 and remainder is 0, means our answer square root of 42.25 equal to 6.5. This is our answer. Now see the next example 31.36. Take this 31.36 in format. Make groups, put a bar or make pair. This 31 will be first pair, 36 will be second pair. Always keep in mind of this decimal point position. Do not mix two numbers which are on either side of the decimal point. This is not allowed in this method. So consider 31. Which square number is perfect square number is less than 31? 25. Yes, 25 is the number. 25 is the square of 5. So write 5 here. 5 5 is 25. Take subtraction 31 minus 25. We get 6 here. Then take 36 here. Before taking 36, put decimal point here. Take 36 here, and 5 plus 5 is 10. Now to put a number here, to guess a number here, we must consider this 63 and 10. 63 is in the table of tens. 63 is in between 60 and 70. 63 is in between 60 and 70. So if we write 6 here, and here also we get 6 is a 36 and 6 as it is. So subtraction is 0. Remainder is 0. This is a perfect square number. So answer is 31.36 equal to 5.6. It is very easy. Just follow the trick to guess this number. We can guess this number very easily and take trial of 1 or 2 numbers only. So this is very simple method, and these are the answers of number. This is all for this video. We will meet again in our next video. Do learn, do enjoy. Thank you.